Hello friends, myself Joy Prakash. Today we will discuss about the concept of a shares and how it is introduced. Let's start it. More when someone wants to start business, or organization, most important requirement is money. Actually, total money is known as capital. The whole money is known as capital. Whole money is known as capital. Here question is the owner or businessman where to get money. There are some source where to they get money. First one is we commonly known bank always give money by loan for his business and take certain percentage of interest at certain period. But next one is company will get money by issuing debentures, shares, bonds, etc. from public. Using the above method or source, they will get the money. But in this case of a share are two types. First one is equity share, second one is preference share. First one is equity share, second one is preference share. Actually, share is a part of a capital. In simple, subdivided part of a capital. Let's an example. If company wants 10 lakhs rupees, by issuing share, then the company will decide his board meeting how much unit they require. They require 1 lakh unity. So here share price will be 10 lakhs divided by 1 lakh equal to 10 each. 10 each its face value. Here public money, here total 10 lakhs are public money invested by public by issuing share. So government will interfere. Public money are invested, so government will interfere. So government created a separate body known as SEBI. All are commonly known as SEBI, means Security Exchange Board of India. SEBI is give authority to bodies for record and maintain the company's activity. Name is NSE and BSE. NSE means National Stock Exchange, BSE means Bombay Stock Exchange. Then comes to our point. What is the process of taking money from public? First, company listed himself with NSE, BSE or both by authority of SEBI. Then company issue IPO, commonly known as initial public offering, at a certain amount decided by company's board. Then IPO, company will listed by the stock market. By IPO, company will listed in the stock market. Then we subscribe IPO by our stockbroker with our unique ID. Stockbroker will provide some unique ID. Then we subscribe the IPO. Here stockbroker takes vital part of our share. So best stockbroker is most important. Best stockbroker is most important. Stockbroker are there where we open the demat account. Where we open the demat account. Stockbroker are only give security of our share by digital manner, so we easily buy and sell our shares. Stockbrokers work like our bank, commonly we always known bank, like bank safe and guarantee our money when we want to deposit and withdraw here. Likewise, stockbroker also gives security and a safe side in digital manner of our share. If you want to bet service from stockbroker, then open account with Ventura. Ventura is also a stockbroker. He is a full-time broker. He is not a discounted broker. He is a full-time broker. Free account opening and lifetime no AMC, annual maintenance charges, lifetime 0. I will give my details, contact detail in description. You will contact me for open your account in best services, best stockbroker like Ventura, etc. Okay, let's come to our point. After listed the company, the company stock will traded in the NSE and BSE. The price of a share will increase and decrease by demand and supply. Actually, price of a share will increase and decrease by demand and supply. We will take another section to discuss about how price increase and decrease, how will learn how to share price movement. Let's take another section. It is a big topic, that's why I will take another section. But here IPO money will transfer company's account. Only company gets only the IPO money. After that, the increase and decrease amount will transfer trader to trader. Likewise, only IPO money transfer to the company, then someone trader, to another trader. So is buy, is sell, buy. If someone buy, then someone sell. If someone buy, then someone sell. If someone sell, then someone is buy. So a buying price is equal to the selling price. So its selling price is equal to buying price. So we get the difference between buying and selling is distributed to buyer, not transferred to the company. It's only distributed to the trader. Trader only get the benefit of a trading amount after IPO issuing. Actually, equity share are the real owner of the company because they are get dividend from the company. Okay, comes to our topic. After that, the increase and decrease amount will transfer trader to trader. The company will not getting money from trader value. Company will not getting any value in this trader value. But company give a certain amount of dividend in his share as per face value to the holder. Company only gives dividend as per share or the face value. Dividend also a dividend is a big dividend also a big chapter. We will discuss in another section. But here is company always take the price is face value low price at a 10 rupees or 100 rupees, because the company will provide return to the holder of a shareholder for the 1% some percentage of a profit to holder trader. That's why company will always taking a minimum amount of face value. Okay, let's come to the point. Here dividend also a big topic. Dividend, what is dividend, how it is work, what percentage of a company gives it to trader. Dividend also a big topic, we will discuss in another session. Okay, actually overall topic was about share and how is it to work. Okay, thank you so much. I hope I clear all doubt regarding share and how it is trade in stock market. If total section if total session is helpful to you, then like my video and subscribe my channel for more informative video. Thank you for watching.